What's up, team? Fullest, this is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. So please, if the quality is not good, please excuse this video, excuse the quality. I'm filming with my mobile phone, and excuse the echo in the background. I'm in the bathroom, so I want to come and show you guys something that I've been doing to help my hair growth. So this is my hair. I cut my hair 2 months ago, like in February 27. I cut my hair on February 27, February, March, April. We're now in April. It's 2 months. So, and you guys see my last video when I cut my hair. I'll try and put a video right in here, show you guys what my head used to look like when I cut. I shaved everything. My hair out because I wanted to go to the barber and kind of tape it down, but because of all the barber shops are closed right now because of everything that is going on in the world, so I decided, you know what, let me just grow my hair out. Let's just get over the stress. Let's just grow it out, and then maybe growing out to a nice afro for the summer. So that is what I've been doing. So I've been trying a lot of homemade recipes and homemade ingredients to help grow my hair. Things that you can find in your kitchen. I don't want to spend money in buying all this hair product that doesn't really do a lot for me. So I'm trying to go more on the natural side and making my own natural products. So since I cut my hair, I have been using a lot of natural stuff at home, using things that are in my kitchen, very easy to find. That's what I've been doing. I have been doing a fenugreek deep conditioner water spray. I have a video coming up soon, show you guys how I prepare my fenugreek seed and how I use that to spray on my hair. But since I big chopped my hair on the 27th of April, I did go back in a month later and kind of shape it down just a little bit, because at that time I really wanted short hair. So I kind of take a little bit of, not too much, but that's nothing, that's just not really nothing. But since then I have been growing it out. I showed you guys last time my edges was gone. Now, because since I cut my hair, I haven't really tied my head. I've been sleeping like this. But since I noticed that my edges was thinning out, I started wearing headscarf. I made this DIY head thing on my, it's very soft inside, and I put this on my head like this, and I go to bed and it stays on my head throughout the night. So that is what I have been doing, and also using my ginger and onions spray to spray my hair. When I show you guys how I make the ginger and onion paste, I left a little bit, which I told you guys I was going to get the juice out, and I was going to use that to spray on my hair. So that is what I have been doing. I have been spraying that on my edges, and my edges is getting, like, no, I can notice not only my edges but my entire hair is getting filled out. This is like 2 months of hair growth. When you shave your hair bald, like you guys can see, my hair is really grown. 2 months of hair growth. This is 2 months. And I could definitely comb my hair. You guys can see it's 2 months of hair growth, and my hair is getting thicker and thicker and thicker. So I want to come and show you guys how you can use the onion juice to deep conditioner your hair. Sometimes, to be honest, I spray this on my edges and I just leave it like that and go to bed. I don't really rinse it out. But sometimes in the morning, like when it's time for me to take shower, I spray it all over my head, put a plastic bag on, leave it for like 30 minutes, go downstairs, make breakfast. If I have some chores to do around the house, do that, and then when I'm done, I come and take a shower and wash my hair. So that's what I'm about to do. I want to show you guys how I do it. I have a video coming up very soon, show you guys how you can make the onions and the ginger juice. But if you're somebody who have like dandruff, if you're somebody who have dandruff, like dry scalp dandruff, I would advise you to use only the ginger. But I'll have a video coming up showing you guys going in depth on that. You can use both ingredients individually, or you can decide to use one both at the same time. But both at the same time is good. But if you have like a dandruff, you have an oily scalp, or you have dry scalp, you can better use individually. You can use ginger for dry scalp. When you have like a flaky scalp, you can use ginger. When you have like an oily hair, you can use onions. So, but I use both in this video, but in the future we're going to make more videos to talk more about it and how to prepare individual products. So now I'm going to show you guys how I use this to deep conditioner my hair. So this is the spray bottle. I try not to make a lot because you don't want to keep it for like a very, very long time. So I try not to make a lot. I try to make a little bit like this because I use this on my own hair and on the kids' hair. So 1 or 2 use is finished. So it's easy to make. So I always like to make fresh one instead of having something to stay for more than a week. A week it's okay. More than a week is too much. That's what I think, my personal opinion, because I like it fresh. So now I've combed my hair. You guys have seen my hair. This is what my hair looks like. 2 months of hair growth. My hair is doing good. So now I'm just going to take this and spray all over my hair. So this is what I like to do. If you have long hair, the spray is better than the paste, because the paste is a little bit difficult to wash off when you have long hair. My daughters, they have long hair, so when I do this hair mask, I use the spray. I don't use the paste, because actually the first time I did this, I used the paste on my daughter's hair, and Lord have mercy, it was difficult to wash out. So since that day, I learned my experience. You know, sometimes you have to experience something before you. Experience is the best education in life, you know. So I was like, it takes us hours to get everything off the hair. Since that day, I don't use the onions and the ginger paste on her hair. I use the juice, and that is better. And the kids don't really have problem with the smell, because I just put it on the hair and put a plastic bag, and then put a shower cap, and then put one of this thing on top of their head. So like they have 3 layers of head scarf. So like they don't really have issue. They just play around. And my daughter always tell me, Mom, it has like a tingling sensation, you know, like, and I've noticed that my daughter's hair is getting really strong. Her hair is growing really, really good. And I really, really enjoy using natural stuff on the hair, because all of this chemical stuff, I'm just trying to find my own homemade remedy instead of always buying, because every time there's new products in the market. So if you're somebody who like every product give the same promise, I'm going to grow your hair, and you don't actually know which one is going to grow your hair. So why don't you just use the stuff that you have in your home, natural ingredients, which save you save you more money, and they are natural, so you won't have any hair fall, you won't have any crazy stuff. And all these natural ingredients really help promote hair growth, help stop hair fall, hair loss, all those kind of things. So for me, I just like, you know what, let's keep it natural this year. Let's stay to the natural stuff. Though the product that I picked up, like the leave-in conditioner that I have and that I picked up already, I'm still using them to like moisturize my hair. But after all of that is finished, I want to buy a cocoa butter and a shea butter to make my own leave-in conditioner cream. So I want to make my own leave-in conditioner cream, but for now I'm just going to use the ones that I buy, because I don't want to throw them away. Just use them on my hair and on the kids' hair. When it's finished, we're going to be making our own leave-in conditioner cream, our own moisturizer, and my own natural hair oils, which I'm going to be making on my own. So we have a lot of stuff coming. I just want to see how my hair is going to look like by the end of this year, using all these natural ingredients, and see, because I have been using it on the kids' hair and I've really seen great results. So I also want to give it a try on my own hair and see, you know, it's just hair. I like to cut my hair and start all over. It's not a big deal. I'm not really obsessed with hair, so it's just an experiment. I love the experiment. I love the challenges. Like when I cut my hair, I have ideas of trying different new things, and I just love that. So as you guys can see, my whole hair is stuff. Okay, now I have it running. My whole hair is wet. You guys can see 2 months of hair growth. This is good. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. So now you guys can see it's running. I like to take my finger actually on my edges, like massage. Just massage it for like 5 to 10 minutes. It all depends if you have time. I like to massage my head. Just massage, just keep on massaging. Also, when I spray the hair, the spray on my head, on my edges, every time I spray it, I massage my edges. I like just go in like this in a circular motion, just massage. That also helps. And I just like to do this even with the kids' hair. That's the only part the kids like when I'm massaging their head. They really, really like it. The kids really, really love that part, like me massaging the head. They really like it. So every time I'm like, come, let me do a deep conditioner, and I'm going to massage your head, they love it. So now that I've massaged it, you guys can see the juice is running out. But I don't mind. This is why I like to spray it like this and put in a shower cap and leave it, go and do my choice, and then come back and clean. So I'm going to take this plastic bag. I'm just going to put it like this, and I'm going to tie it in the back. Let's make sure you get every breeze out. So this is what I do, even though I have the juice like running. This is why I have this all closed. Since I'm about to take a shower, I don't really mind. So I'm just going to put this and then put this on top of it, just to give it more heat. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going downstairs. I'm going to do my cleaning chores, eat some breakfast, and then later when I'm done with everything, I'll just come upstairs and take a shower and wash my hair, and wash my hair, and that's it. That's what I do. And then put some oils into my head, moisturize my hair, and that's what I do. So stay tuned for the video of me showing you guys how to make the juice, but this is how you can apply the juice onto your hair to help your hair grow as a deep conditioner treatment. You can do this twice a week, once a week. It all depends on you. I spray the juice on my edges every single day. I do the deep conditioner once a week, but I spray the juice on my edges every single day and massage it for 5 to 10 minutes. And I have been really seeing progress. As you guys can see, my edges is growing, my hair is growing. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any question, let me know in the comment box. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page. All the information will be down in the description box. Let me know what you think, and I hope to see you guys very soon. This is your girl AMIFULLEST. Peace out. Bye.